Good afternoon everyone, Ari here. In this video we're going to be having a look at Kaspa right now, currently up 10.5% in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see right here, the whole crypto market has been in a slight downtrend because of Bitcoin. We know that because when Bitcoin essentially dumps, everything essentially dumps as well. Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's a leader, down 1.5% or 1.9% in the last 24 hours. Now, since the new daily candle started, it's obviously a different story. Bitcoin is up 0.65%, and that's about it. We're going to be diving into Kaspa technical analysis, see where it can potentially go. But first, let's dive into coin market cap. So Kaspa currently ranked 217. Of course, if you have a look at the real market cap, it's actually in the top 100. Okay, because if we have a look at $438 million, it's currently somewhere in the top 70. That's why it is in the crypto bubble chart. But coin market cap says a different story, and the reason why that is because in order for it to be on the top 100, it needs to be verified, and there is a criteria. I made that in another video. I will be leaving in the description below. But in order for it to be in the top 100, Kaspa needs to follow a few criterias or a few notes, which it hasn't done since being listed on CoinMarketCap. So once the team gets that solved, it's most likely going to be a top 100 coin. But of course, that's obviously pretty bad, saying that they don't want to solve it or update their sheet or whatever it is. So currently market cap of 438 million. The volume is currently sitting at $11 million, down 30%, and the circling supply is up $19 billion. So if you guys remember, the last time I made a video about Kaspa, circling supply I believe was 17 billion, even 18 billion, and now it's obviously going up. So that's obviously bad because the inflation is very high. You don't want to see billions getting printed every month or so, because that means that the more supply there is, the less it's going to be valuable, right? Why is Bitcoin so valuable? Because there's less supply and a lot of demand for it. So this is what you want to see in coins like that. Of course, supply is obviously going to reach there, but it's going to be harder to essentially reach $1. Okay, so every time it goes up 1 billion, the market cap is going to go up by 1 billion in order for it to go to $1. So before, let's say the circling supply, or when this really started, circling supply was in the 13 billion, the market cap would have been, in order to reach $1, the market cap would have been $14 billion. But now look at it, the market cap is 19. That means by the next time it goes to the bull market, if it does reach $1, it would be $19 billion or even more than that. So that's what's happening. The market cap right here on the all-time high was $686 million. If it does go back to the all-time high in terms of price, I bet you that the market cap will be a little bit higher than that because the circling supply has increased. If we have a look at Kaspa on a technical analysis aspect, you can see right here that the trend is your friend until it bends. There's no question about that. And this is a very nice trend line. So ever since we bottomed right here on Monday, 22nd of May 2023, we've been in a pretty nice uptrend. And the big question is has Kaspa bottomed out of this correction? Okay, so we had this swing to the upside. Did we bottom out? Are we going to see another fifth wave? Are we going to break this resistance? If we do break this resistance, we should see a nice move to the upside. That's that. If we have a look right here on Kaspa, this is also a very important resistance. We do have a resistance right here, and right here, and that's about it. Nothing too crazy overall. The RSI is coming back down, sitting at 45, looking pretty good. If we have a look on the weekly time frame, we could see that obviously on the longer time frame, weekly time frame, we are still in a downtrend. But if we do end up breaking this downtrend, things will be very good, and it'll be very bullish. Other than that, that is my quick video, guys, on Kaspa. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Of course, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video.